How hamburgers are made. The process of creating a McDonald's hamburger is a well-coordinated system involving several meticulously planned steps that ensure each burger maintains the brand's standard of quality and flavor. This journey begins with beef preparation and extends through packaging, transportation, cooking, and assembly at the restaurant. Each phase plays a crucial role in delivering the final product to the customer efficiently and consistently. This comprehensive process highlights McDonald's commitment to quality and efficiency in fast food production. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger starts at the beef processing stage. To ensure high-quality hamburgers, McDonald's sources beef from approved suppliers who adhere to stringent standards. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the beef is carefully cut into small, uniform pieces. This initial step is crucial because uniformity in beef pieces ensures that the hamburger meat maintains a consistent quality and texture, which significantly impacts the taste and overall quality of the hamburgers. Consistent texture and flavor are essential characteristics that define McDonald's hamburgers, making this step foundational to the entire process. After the beef is processed into uniform pieces, it is transported to a McDonald's supplier where it undergoes grinding. Grinding transforms the beef into hamburger meat with a fine consistency, which is essential for creating the patties. During the grinding process, the meat is mixed with essential ingredients, such as salt and seasonings. The purpose of this blending is to achieve a uniform flavor throughout the hamburger meat. Precision in this mixing stage is crucial because it ensures that every patty, regardless of its position in the batch, will have the same taste and seasoning, contributing to the signature flavor of McDonald's hamburgers. Once the beef mixture is well blended, it is formed into patties. The formation of patties involves shaping the ground beef mixture into consistent, uniform sizes that meet McDonald's specifications. These patties are then immediately frozen to preserve their freshness. Freezing is a key step that helps maintain the quality and safety of the hamburger patties by halting bacterial growth and preserving the meat's natural juices and flavors. This stage also ensures that the patties remain in prime condition during transportation and storage. The frozen patties are packaged in specialized containers designed to maintain the meat's freshness and safety during transportation. These containers are insulated to prevent heat transfer and maintain a consistent low temperature. The packaging is also sealed to prevent contamination, ensuring that the patties remain fresh until they reach their destination. Once packaged, the patties are transported to McDonald's restaurants across the country using various methods, including trucks, trains, and airplanes. Each transportation method is equipped to handle perishable goods efficiently, keeping the patties at the required temperature to ensure they arrive in optimal condition. Upon arrival at a McDonald's restaurant, the frozen patties are carefully unloaded and stored in a refrigerated area until they are ready to be cooked. Storage conditions at the restaurant are monitored to ensure that the patties remain at the appropriate temperature, preserving their quality and safety. When it's time to prepare a hamburger, the patties are thawed and cooked on a griddle at a precise temperature for about 90 seconds on each side. This controlled cooking process ensures that the patties are cooked evenly, enhancing their flavor and texture. The McDonald's kitchen is designed to maximize efficiency and effectiveness in producing a large volume of food quickly and consistently. The kitchen layout typically includes separate areas for food preparation, cooking, and assembly, each equipped with the necessary tools and equipment for specific tasks. The food preparation area is where ingredients such as vegetables are prepared for cooking. This area involves tasks such as slicing vegetables, seasoning and marinating meat, and mixing sauces and condiments. Proper preparation ensures that all ingredients are ready and available for cooking, contributing to the efficiency of the kitchen operations. The cooking area is where the UAL food preparation takes place using equipment such as grills, fryers, and ovens. This area is equipped with heat controls and ventilation systems to manage excess heat and smoke. Specialized equipment, such as machines for making French fries, is also present in this area. Workers use spatulas and other tools to cook the burgers, ensuring they are cooked evenly and thoroughly. The precise control over cooking conditions helps maintain the quality and consistency of the food. The assembly area is where the cooked food items are put together and prepared for serving. This area involves tasks such as assembling burgers and sandwiches, adding condiments and toppings, and packaging the food for delivery or takeout. Workers in the assembly area use tongs, spatulas, and other tools to handle the burgers and other ingredients. They also utilize digital order systems to track individual orders and ensure accuracy in preparation and serving. The drive-through system at McDonald's allows customers to place and receive their food orders without leaving their vehicles. Customers place their orders using a speaker system located at the drive-through entrance and pay for their orders using a payment kiosk. Once the order is placed, it is sent to the kitchen, where the food is prepared and assembled. The integration of the drive-through with the kitchen operations ensures that the prepared food is promptly assembled and ready for the customer by the time they reach the pickup window. This system contributes to the overall efficiency and convenience of McDonald's service. After assembly, the hamburgers are served to customers either through the drive-through or at the restaurant counter. McDonald's implements strict guidelines for food safety and sanitation to ensure that all food items meet their quality standards. The kitchen staff is trained to follow these guidelines rigorously, including regular checks for temperature, cleanliness, and proper handling of ingredients. McDonald's continually seeks to improve its processes and operations to maintain and enhance the quality of its hamburgers. This involves ongoing research and development in food preparation, packaging, and cooking techniques. By staying updated with the latest advancements in food technology and customer preferences, McDonald's ensures that it delivers a product that meets high standards of taste, quality, and safety. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger from beef preparation to the final product served to the customer involves a complex and well-coordinated process. Each stage, from cutting and grinding the beef to freezing, packaging, transportation, cooking, and assembly, plays a vital role in ensuring that the hamburgers maintain consistent quality and flavor. The efficient design of the kitchen and the integration of modern technology in order processing further enhance the ability to deliver a high-quality product quickly and reliably. This comprehensive approach reflects McDonald's commitment to excellence in fast food production, ensuring that every hamburger meets the expectations of their customers. That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.